Alright, so we're at the Osaka train station. It is huge in here. We are walking underground, underneath the streets and the buildings, and it just keeps going. It's so huge in here. What's cool about Japan is most of these train stations are all like train stations slash malls slash food courts. You know, there's just so much stuff all within the train stations, especially the bigger ones. So, yeah, we're on our way to our hotel right now. All right, so this is the Crown Plaza Hotel. Oh, hello. Let's go check it out. Shall we? Wow, this place is really classy. Todd, this makes up for El Nido's hotel that you picked out. Okay, so just everybody knows when Todd books a room, he books on a budget. This is our room. This is literally our whole room. Here's the room. We got 2 beds. Got power plugs right on the desk where it's convenient, 2 of them. Okay, so let's see the view. Shall we see? We're walking around just trying to find places to take shots because this hotel has given us a stay in exchange for some photos. There's a bunch of businessmen here today. I don't know what they're exactly doing, but yeah, they're here, so we're trying to not get in their way while looking through the hotel, going into different rooms to try to figure out where we can take a good shot. Alright, so now that we checked out the hotel, we're going to try some Japanese pizza called
Okonomiyaki.
Yeah, Okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki. Am I saying that right? Okonomiyaki. Am I saying that right? I don't know. So let's go. Alright, so we're walking around and just checking out the city a little bit. The crowd here is still as busy as anywhere else. Alright, so I guess it's the same here in Osaka. When you're standing on the escalator, you stand to the right, and when you're going up to pass people, you pass on the left, which is the opposite of Tokyo. We're here checking out this area. There's a lot of stuff going on right now. Lots of people. Hi. Lots of people. Just lots of people. This is like more of a, like in Kyoto they had an area like this, but it was more of like traditional Japan, but with a lot of shopping into it, but more of like a lot of street food, a lot of stuff like that. But here it's more of like a modern Japan, modern shops, modern foods, probably the high dollar neighborhood. I don't even really know where we are. We're in Shinsei Basel something.
So we are in the Shinbayashi, something like that.
We're in Shinsaibashi. So, alright, this is it.
out of this. I don't like most of the stuff in it's made of. So maybe the meat, that's about it. So Sean's eating 2 of them.
Thank you, John.
One more.
There you go.